If you're somebody who thrives on being active, whether it be going to yoga, skateboarding, snowboarding, dancing, kayaking, anything that requires movement from your body, then you absolutely need to try a menstrual cup if you haven't tried it already. I feel like the world promotes so many active wear types of things, whether it's actual active wear, whether it's an accessory, but nobody ever talks about the need for a menstrual product that supports your active lifestyle. Enter Pixie Cup. This is the best menstrual product that you can ever use if you have an active lifestyle, and I will be explaining 3 reasons why that is. First, it's reusable and comfortable. A menstrual cup can be worn up to 12 hours and it can be reused for up to 10 years. Which is seriously amazing if you're somebody who has an active lifestyle. And also you can participate in any of your activities and not have that dreaded fear of leaks that you might have with tampons when you leak through a tampon, always stressing if the string's gonna be hanging out. You don't have to stress about any of that because once you properly seal your menstrual cup, you are good to go for hours. Not only is it reusable, which comes in handy when you're participating in things like backpacking and you might not want to pack all of your tampons with you, it is also very comfortable and you won't even notice that it's there, and it holds a lot of fluid. Our small Pixie Cup Luxe holds up to 4 times more than an average tampon, which is huge, and again will give you that peace of mind of not having to switch your tampon out every 30 minutes to an hour. You can just put it in and then not worry about it for a couple hours, which in my mind just gives us so much more freedom. Number 2 is the Pixie Cup comes in a variety of styles, shapes, and textures that were designed to fit perfectly. So we can find the perfect fit for your body and your flow type. You can choose from the Pixie Cup Luxe, small or large, the original Pixie Cup, small or large, or even the extra large Pixie Cup, which I will go into a little bit more detail about now. Our Pixie Cup Luxe is designed to support your active lifestyle. It is a softer silicone cup which is designed to move with your body. We also recommend this for first-time users who might be getting used to cups, or for people who have a lower cervix because it's softer and more gentle. So if you're a first-time user, we definitely recommend this, and also if you're a dancer or somebody that has a very active lifestyle, we also recommend this because it moves more easily with your body due to the fact that it is a bit softer. This also comes in 2 sizes, the small and the large. Our original Pixie Cup is a little bit more firm and it holds its shape a bit better. So if you've ever had a child, or if you have a heavier flow, or want a cup that keeps its shape a bit better, then we definitely recommend trying the original Pixie Cup. It's my personal favorite, and it also comes in sizes small and large. The original Pixie Cup is also great to try if you have a high cervix. If you have a really heavy flow and you don't want to worry about changing your cup all the time, then we recommend going with our extra large Pixie Cup, as this holds by far the most amount of blood, so you won't have to change it as frequently. We're super passionate about giving female athletes and adventurers a period option, but we're also just as passionate about making sure that every female across the world has this option. So for every Pixie Cup that you buy, we give away a cup completely free to a woman in need. Some of these women might not have been able to go out in public due to their period, and we're trying to give them their freedom back where they can go to school and go to work and not have to worry about their period anymore. Also, we do have a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so if you try one of our cups and it doesn't work for you, we will give you a full refund, or we'll help you figure out a cup that might be a better option. But don't give up, because you might just need to find the right cup that fits your body type. Now I want to know, have you ever struggled to complete an activity due to your period? I know that I have, and before I found a menstrual cup, I definitely struggled. And do you have any tips on how to use a menstrual cup when dealing with and performing with various lifestyle activities that might require a lot of movement and energy? Share any tips that you have in the comments below.